Precise soil maps, advanced map analytics, fast and simple controller prescriptions. Hi, I'm Eric Lund, President of Veris Technologies. In the next few minutes, I'll show how Veris sensors and FieldFusion software combine to make variable rate everything more precise and more doable. I'm going to start here in the FieldFusion Portal, making an assumption that you already know about the soil properties that our equipment senses and how the technologies work. If not, there are other videos and content here that cover that, and we'd be happy to answer any questions you may have on the phone. This is the FieldFusion Portal, where raw sensor data is submitted for processing. It's where calibrated data is presented and where various fusions of sensor data are made available. All maps are previewable at no charge, so you can click on the map and bring it up and look at it, share it with your customers, and there's no charge for previewing the map. This is an easy to navigate site with kind of the typical grower farm field structure so you can see how rapid our cloud-based portal works. We make it very easy to show a soil survey map overlaid on top of a Veris map, and we do this to serve as kind of a frequent reminder to you and your growers why they've made the investment in a Veris map. So if you look at the soil map units on this field, you can see there's a wide range of soil variability within these maps. The organic matter on this field ranges from down well below 2% organic matter to above 4%, which is a pretty wide range of organic matter. But yet within most of these soil survey map units, you can see a wide range, nearly that full range of variability from the field that's present in the map units. If we overlay a 2.5 acre grid, we see a similar phenomenon, very wide ranges of soil properties present within these grids. So whether it's organic matter or CEC, the only way to really have an accurate map to base your variable rate population, multi-hybrid or variable rate nitrogen prescription is really with the density of on-the-go sensing. Speaking of prescriptions, let's write one. Just to kind of keep things simple here, we'll do this based on organic matter. Many farmers would like to challenge their higher organic matter soils with a higher rate of seed and cut back on their lower organic matter soils, perhaps just a few thousand. So we'll just ramp this up from 28,000 in the lower organic matters to over 36,000 in the higher. Of course, these exact rates are things that you and your seedsman or crop consultant would work at together for each hybrid, because each hybrid would have a different ramp. But this shows you the concept. You'll also notice that there's an add new rate column here, which means you can do multi-hybrid planting prescriptions. You can put in more than one rate for each hybrid. So we just save that and name it. And in a few seconds, you'll have your prescription ready. So that just took a few mouse clicks and about 30 seconds. So while that seems very, very simple, and it was to put in the prescriptions, keep in mind that the prescription is based on thousands of points per acre. So although writing the prescription is simple, the map is very, very detailed. And you can be sure that when the planter controller changes rates, it will be at the precise spot the soil changes, because that extremely quick prescription was based on thousands of sensor points on the field, not just one sample every 2.5 acres or on a survey made decades before GPS was invented. In part 2 of this video series, we will look at sensor data fusion, which is simply the combining of multiple map layers to generate an important new view of your fields. Fusion analytics are complex, but the user interface is very simple, and the results are powerful.